Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Chief Executive Officer of the Grace Kennedy Group, Frank James, says he is seriously concerned about the potential negative effect of the proposed 5% tax on remittances flows being pursued by U.S. House Republicans and President Donald Trump. James tells RJR News that while he cannot influence U.S. fiscal and foreign policies, however, he will be taking steps to continue lowering the cost as well as making it easier for Jamaicans and Caribbean nationals living in the U.S. to send money back to Jamaica and the Caribbean via the company's GK1 app service. This service will be expanded to Cayman, Trinidad and Tobago, and Guyana this year. Companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange have sent notices to shareholders that cash will be deposited to their bank accounts in the form of dividends. Honeybun 1982 Limited has declared a dividend of 0.03 cents per share payable on June 12, 2025 to shareholders on record as at May 29, 2025. Grace Kennedy Limited has declared an interim dividend of 52 cents per stock unit payable on June 20, 2025 to stockholders on record as at May 30, 2025. Epley Caribbean Property Fund Limited, SCCPFV, has declared an interim dividend of 0.005 Barbados cents per share payable on June 16, 2025 to shareholders on record as at May 30, 2025. Epley Limited has declared an interim dividend of 0.102 cents per share payable on June 30, 2025 to shareholders on record as at May 30, 2025. Companies have released their financial statements for the corresponding quarter. One Great Studio Limited unaudited financials for the first quarter ending March 31, 2025 reports 3 months net loss of $13.36 million. Up next, Pan Jamaica Group Limited unaudited financials for the first quarter ending March 31, 2025 reports a 119% increase in 3 months net profit attributable to shareholders. We then turn to Kingston Properties Limited, unaudited financials for the first quarter ended March 31, 2025, and they report 3 months net profit of US $1 million. Barita Investments Limited unaudited financials for the 6 months ending March 31, 2025 reports a 38% decline in 6 months net profit. For the trading period ending May 15, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 5,759,914 units traded, representing 21.30% of market sales volume. Entertainment and games provider Supreme Ventures Limited with 5,628,924 units traded, representing 20.81% of market sales volume. Financial conglomerate MFS Capital Partners Limited with 5,141,586 units traded, representing 19.01% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On May 17, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $82.04 million purchased and US $78.58 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.04 per dollar, selling the US at $159.16 and buying the US at $158.12. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $6.16 per transaction, with selling at $115.21 and buying at $109.05. The British pound yielded forex traders $3.65 in profits, with selling at $211.69 and buying at $208.04. For our credit report tip of the day, most people think good credit score is only about getting approved, but that's just the tip of the surface. When you improve your credit score, you're not just raising a number. You're expanding your access to cash, capital, and control. It becomes easier to say yes to opportunities that can grow your income, build your business, and strengthen your legacy. If you're serious about shifting from surviving to thriving, improving your credit score is one of the fastest ways to create more cash-generating options. Now, when you're building something from nothing, and you're going from financial recovery to financial resilience, as women over the age of 45, we find ourselves caring for everyone else, our children, our aging parents, even extended family, while trying to piece together our own financial stability. It can feel overwhelming, even isolating. Wanting financial security and abundance is not selfish. It's wise, it's necessary, and most of all, it's possible. Here are some suggestions. First, give yourself grace for past financial decisions. Recovery starts with self-compassion. Then claim your financial identity. Are you a saver, a supporter, an investor, or a planner? And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success.